Pressure bus pipe, but I still have life. From the 19th of August, I get a face injured. Lead to a cyst or whatever. But then this hospital from Sunday, what the hospital name? UC. I hold my composure and I stand my grounds. Now my face injury and I see the hole in there. Right? For bleed out the cyst. So if I freak out over my face and my procedure, and I repeat and I scream and shout, I don't think nobody should have catch feelings, you know. Because of my face and however me feel. I don't think no vampire should have want to suck me out to tell me, say, I don't have to repeat what I say 2 times or 3 times, or if I want 10 times because of my face. If I want to wear sexy breasts with big boobs, it make me comfortable. How much more can one take? I get up last night and I go work, because the people them pay me to go work. I come out of the hospital and I go do my honest job. And I just can't win and allow blood clot. Me no matter what I do. I don't want to rotten off the face. So if me see my face in this condition, me no go stress and deteriorate. But when I stress and deteriorate, I don't have no face up. When I come kill me dirty blood clot, because I have enough, I don't know.